Hello learners, welcome to the Complete Ethical Hacking course. I am Sunil Gupta and I am your instructor for this course. Now for the initial installation of softwares, I have created a video for you. First of all, as you can see that you have to install the VMware Workstation Pro so that you can install the other machines like Kali Linux and like I have Windows operating system, Kali Linux, Ubuntu and BIOS in my VMware for testing purpose. So you have to install them in your VMware. First of all, you have to download VMware. So you go to the google.com and type download VMware. So you will see that there will be a file hippo, so click on it and you can download the free version by clicking on here this link. You will download the free version of VMware, right? After download that, install it in your system. Like I have installed VMware in my system. After installation, you will see the graphical user like this. Now the task is you have to install Kali Linux in your system. And how will you do that? First of all, you have to download the Kali Linux ISO file. So go to website and type download Kali Linux. Go to official Kali Linux downloads and you can see that there are ISO files available. So if your computer is 64-bit or your computer is 34-bit, according to it, click on the ISO file here. And when you click on the ISO file will be downloaded in your system. Put it in your D drive or C drive, wherever you want. So it's your task to download the Kali Linux operating system and VMware and install them. So the Kali Linux ISO file is in your system, which is downloaded. Now the task is to install Kali Linux in your system. So let's proceed. How you can install Kali Linux? Click on File, click on New Virtual Machine, and typical recommended, it's okay. Now you have to browse where you have downloaded your ISO. So I have downloaded the ISO in my C drive. So I just double click on it and you will see that it has shown here. Now click on next. Your guest operating system, it's your Linux operating system, and version should be you can choose any one of them according to your machine, like Debian 864-bit. It should be Debian. Click on next. Make it a machine, like I want to create Kali Linux, and click on next. Give it 25 GB space. Click on store virtual disk as a single file and click on next. Finish it. And when you see that Kali Linux has been installed, and click on power on to virtual machines. This graphical user will come. After that, you have to click on graphical install. So let's click on the graphical install. Right, so it will take some time. Now this will come. Now click on the application, click on the English, click on United States, click on American English. It will detect the hardwares. So it will do its work. Right, it is installing in your system. It is detecting your network hardware and waiting for attempting IPv6 auto configurations. Configuring the network with DHCP. Host name is Kali, it's okay, click on it. Domain name just blank, click on continue. You can make a password, so I want to keep password like root and RWT and RWT type and click on continue. It is setting up the clock Eastern, okay. Click on OK. Now detect and hardwares, loading additional components, starting up. Use the entire disk. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Click on continue. Finish it. Write the changes to disk. Yes. Click on yes and continue. Now it takes some time to install the system. It is a time-taking process to installing the system. So I'm gonna pause my video, and when it installs, I will show you the next steps. Okay. Yes. So when it comes to this, and then you have to click on no, I don't want to use network mirror, right? And click on continue, and then it will the packet manager. Maybe it will take 10 minutes for installation, but you have to keep patience for that. And after that, it will install the packet manager for you. And then it comes, then you have to click on yes to grub bootloader and click on continue. Enter device manually, no, just go to the second option, click on continue. It will install the grub, and now it is finishing the installations. It takes some time to install the Kali Linux in your system. And now you can see the installation is complete. Now click on continue to finishing the installation of Kali Linux. Now it is opening and installing procedure. What is installing? Now this is the procedure of installing Kali Linux in your system. After that, the login page comes. Type in login root and password is root. Remember it. The username is root and the password is root after installation procedure. So you have to type root, and in password you have to type root to open up the Kali Linux. So this is how you can create the Kali Linux. You can install Kali Linux in your operating system. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.